Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will discuss the slider control in Power App, Canvas app in Dynamics 365. The slider control is used when we want user to select a numeric value within a specific range by simply dragging the slider instead of typing number manually. Users can easily slide and choose a value. Benefit of using slider in Canvas app: easy and user-friendly input, prevents invalid values. Useful for values like age, rating, quantity, percentage, or range selection. So first of all, this is my blank canvas app. Now insert a slider control. Now go to the insert and search as slider. So I am using this one. Select the slider control. Go to the value property and remove the existing value and set it to 0. This means when the app start, the slider value will be 0. Now set minimum and maximum value. Now go to the properties. Minimum is set to 0 and maximum is 150. This defines the range of the slider from 0 to 150. Now insert a label control to display the slider value. So click on that. Now select the label and update the text property with the following formula. Slider 2 dot value. Slider 2 is the name of the slider control and dot value return the current value selected on the slider. Whenever the slider value change, the label automatically update in real time. Now I want to increase the font size of this text label. So go to the properties panel and you can increase the font size from here. To improve visibility, select the label and change the text color from the properties panel as per your requirement. Now click on True button to run the app. As I increase and decrease the slider, you can see the label value changing dynamically. So in this video, we covered how to use the slider control in Power App, Canvas app in Dynamics 365. Thanks for watching.